Hi guys, and welcome back. It's just a quick video today to say thank you to somebody. I received this in the post this morning, and I do believe that this is from Dean over at Sheepys Allotments. I'll put his channel in the description below and I'll link it in the comments. But he's been kind enough to send me some Condor seed potatoes. Condor are known for producing very large tubers, and they hold the world record for the heaviest potato, which was, I think it's 4.9 kilos, which is 10 pounds 14 ounces, and that is held by Peter Glazebrook. So thank you very much for these, Dean, and I will get these on the windowsill and get them chitting away. And it's what I might do, because there's a couple of eyes on each of these. I might, once they've started chitting, cut them into separate pieces and maybe get 3 or 4 seeds from each potato. I'll plant them into 30-litre buckets with some fish blood and bone and potato fertiliser, and see how they get on from there. So again, thank you very much, Dean. And so chitting these potatoes couldn't be any easier. Just gonna, you can see the umbilical cord there at the bottom, eyes on the top, so that end down into the egg box. And just keep doing that with them. Just try and keep all the chicks pointing up. And I want to keep these on the windowsill, plenty of light but not too warm, otherwise the chicks go really long, or if they're in dark they'll get really long searching for light. So just place them like that, pop them on a nice sunny windowsill. So there they are on the not so sunny windowsill today. We are expecting another storm tomorrow night, so stay safe guys. Thanks for watching, bye for now.